In this video, I'm going to show you how to file previous year's tax return on TurboTax. So over here, as you can see, I'm inside my TurboTax account. However, for doing this, so for filing previous year's tax return, this is not what you actually need, and what you want to do is go to their official website, which is turbotax.intuit.com, and from here, you want to then continue. And what you want to do is go to up here, top left, where it says file your taxes, and click on this to extend the tab. And from here, as you can see, under other filing options or filing options, it says file taxes for a previous year. So you want to click on that. And after you do this, you will have to select a year. So for example, let's say you're trying to do this for 2023, then this is already the year you want to have. However, if you want to file taxes for 2022, you want to click over here, for 2021 over here, etc. Okay, so if different numbers are showing up, just select the year you want, and then before purchasing, make sure it says over here to file, and then your year, so the year you want to file for, and then the continuous text. Okay, now after this, what you actually want to do is you want to select one of these plans over here. So we have the Deluxe, Premier, Home and Business, and then Business. So you can see which one is right for you. So just read these descriptions over here and decide based on your current situation. And after you do this, you simply have to press buy now, and after you buy one of the plans, so let's say this is the plan, you will then get the option to download TurboTax, and you can then select your operating system. It can be either Mac or PC/Windows. So for me, it would be Windows over here, and then once you click this, it will take you to another website over here. As you can see, it says you added these products, and then you have TurboTax Desktop Deluxe Tax Year, and then 2023 Windows download with state. Over here, that's pretty much that. You want to press continue, and after that you want to go through your billing tab, where you basically want to put in your billing address and your payment information, and then once you press continue, you'll be able to review everything, and if everything is correct, you'll be able to pay, download the TurboTax for filing previous year's tax returns, and you want to install that software, and that software will basically guide you all the way through to filing your previous year's tax returns. So after you're done, of course, just open up the app, and then it will tell you exactly what to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.